Okay, so I received a package from Dark Shadow. Go follow him. He didn't want to tell me what it was. I thought let me just unbox it and show you guys. Now it is in an Amazon box. Curious. There. Okay, let's see what's inside. Some packaging. Okay. When I asked him about what it was, he said it's not the product itself, it's what's inside that's the gift. Let's see. Okay, so there's another box inside the box. Game soundtrack. A CD. Damn. This is probably a poster. I love posters, as you can see in the back there. It's Killer Bee on one side. This is sick, man. W Dark Shadow, guys. W Dark Shadow. Look at this poster. See what's up here. Is it a figurine? This is so exciting, man. Thank you, my brother.